To get started with Etoro Watchlist, it is essential to understand its purpose and benefits. The Etoro Watchlist is a tool that allows users to track and monitor their favorite assets, including stocks, commodities, and currencies, in real time. This feature is particularly useful for investors who want to stay up to date with market trends and make informed decisions. First, let's discuss how to create a watchlist on Etoro. To do this, users can simply search for the asset they are interested in and click the star icon next to it. This will add the asset to their watchlist, where they can view its current price, daily change, and other relevant information. One of the key benefits of using the Etoro watchlist is that it allows users to set price alerts. This means that users can receive notifications when the price of an asset reaches a certain level, enabling them to take advantage of trading opportunities as they arise. In addition to setting price alerts, the Etoro watchlist also provides users with access to a range of technical analysis tools and charts. These tools can be used to analyze market trends and identify potential trading opportunities. To get the most out of the Etoro watchlist, it is essential to keep it organized and up to date. Users can do this by regularly reviewing their watchlist and removing any assets that are no longer relevant to their investment strategy. Another best practice is to use the Etoro watchlist in conjunction with other features, such as the Etoro newsfeed and market analysis tools. This will provide users with a comprehensive view of the markets and enable them to make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, the Etoro watchlist is a powerful tool that can help users to track and analyze their favorite assets in real time. By creating a watchlist, setting price alerts, and using technical analysis tools, users can stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment decisions. By following these best practices, users can get the most out of the Etoro watchlist and achieve their investment goals.